Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Geetanjali. I'm studying CSE AI branch 2nd SEM in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to discuss a topic called Introduction to Quadrant Systems in Engineering Drawings, which is belong to the subject Computer Aided Engineering Drawing, which is also called CAD. Let's get into the video. Introduction to Quadrant Systems in Engineering Drawings. Quadrant systems are used in engineering drawings to establish a reference point for measurements and coordinates. They divide a two-dimensional space into four quadrants, each within its own set of positive and negative values. Quadrant systems are commonly used in fields such as mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and architecture. Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system is the most widely used quadrant system in engineering drawings. It consists of two perpendicular axes, the x-axis and the y-axis, which intersect at a point called the origin. The x-axis represents horizontal distances, while the y-axis represents vertical distances. Quadrant system. Let's see what are all the quadrants are there in quadrants system. Quadrant 1. Quadrant 1 is located in the top right corner of the drawing space. In this quadrant, both the HP and VP are positive. Positive values in CAD typically indicate rightward or upward directions. Quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 is located in the top left corner of the drawing space. In this quadrant, the HP is negative, while the VP remains positive. Negative values in CAD typically indicate leftward or upward directions. Quadrant 3. Quadrant 3 is located in the bottom left corner of the drawing space. In this quadrant, both the HP and VP are negative. Negative values in CAD typically indicate leftward or downward directions. Quadrant 4. Quadrant 4 is located in the bottom right corner of the drawing space. In this quadrant, the HP is positive while the VP remains negative. Positive values in CAD typically indicate rightward or downward direction. Above HP explanation. Let's see what is above HP. Above HP refers to objects or entities positioned above the horizontal plane, that is called HP, in a CAD diagram. These objects are typically represented by lines, shapes, or symbols drawn above the HP line. Examples of above HP elements in CAD diagrams include visible components or features. Below HP explanation. Below HP refers to objects or entities situated below the horizontal plane, that is HP, in a CAD diagram. These objects are typically represented by lines, shapes, or symbols drawn below the HP line. Examples of below HP elements in CAD diagrams include hidden or obscure components. Below VP explanation. Below VP refers to objects or entities positioned below the vertical plane, that is VP, in a CAD diagram. These objects are typically represented by lines, shapes, or symbols drawn below the VP line. Examples of below VP elements in CAD diagrams include objects that are obscured or hidden from the viewer's perspective. Above VP explanation. Above VP refers to objects or entities situated above the vertical plane, that is VP, in a CAD diagram. These objects are typically represented by lines, shapes, or symbols drawn above the VP line. Examples of above VP elements in CAD diagrams include objects that are visible or fully represented. By understanding the concepts of below HP, above HP, below VP, and above VP in CAD diagrams, designers can accurately represent the spatial relationships between various components and ensure an accurate representation of the final design. Conclusion for quadrant system in engineering diagrams. The quadrant system in engineering diagrams offers a symmetric approach to organizing and analyzing data. By dividing the data into four quadrants based on two variables, it allows for a comprehensive understanding of the relationship between the variables. The quadrant system enhances decision making by providing a visual representation of the data, enabling engineers to identify patterns, trends, and potential correlations. Thank you for watching my video.